Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard, and it's been a minute since I uploaded. I haven't uploaded a video in about two. Well, I didn't last week, but I did the week before. So I have been inconsistent at uploading my videos, but my plan is to get more consistent. In case you don't know what the channel is about, entrepreneurship and online marketing and the mindset, more about mindset in business and entrepreneurship, in keeping things moving when things don't seem to be moving in a direction or moving quick enough in the direction that you would want it to do to move. So that's what this channel's all about. So I'm planning on making some changes. My upload days have been Tuesday and Thursday, but I may change that up. I'm not exactly sure at this point, exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do a video, at least one video every week, because I feel like, people need inspiration, and they need, they need a push sometimes, because I know I do. So, people need a push sometimes, and they need to see success stories. They need to hear about success stories in order for them to realize that, success for them is not so far away. Even if you have up until this point had some successful things happen, you can always continue to grow and move into areas in your life, in your business, where you thought you never could go. So that's the plan. So I was watching this video the other day. It's a video series regarding talking about securing the name of the series is Securing the Bag, and it talks about how you are given things by God, and God gives you things not to hold on to them, but He gives you things like your time, your talent, your money, so that you can help other people. And in that series, and I forgot the name of the person doing the series. He's a pastor. And a side note on that, regarding him being a pastor. So I have been online as a spectator long enough to know that there are a lot of people who do not believe in God. Now, I'm not going to judge you on what you think and what you feel and what you believe, because it is your right to believe whatever it is and however you believe. But please know that I do believe in God. I trust in God. And, a lot of my content, I will be talking about God, because I know that He is my provider, and He is who helps me to manage my life. As a matter of fact, the series that I was watching, it talks about how you were given this life by God, but it's truly His, as far as His making it the reality for you to be here. So you were given this life, and your job is to manage this life. And the best way to manage this life is to be giving, like He was with you, in giving you the life and providing you with a clear mind, a healthy body, and a family, and all the blessings that you have. So our job, what I took from this series, our job is to just be a steward over this life, and to be a steward over our talents, a steward over the money that we receive. I'm not saying give all your money away, but you can steward and help those who are in need, as far as you have the ability to bless somebody, and when you don't, then you're not being a good steward over the gifts of money, cash, talent, or whatever it is God gave you. You need to steward that and also use that to bless other people. And that is my main goal and purpose with my channel, with this YouTube channel, with my life, is to bless other people and help people to overcome some of the obstacles in life that I've had to get through. So that's my purpose here, and that is why I'm planning to be more consistent, and I may not upload more than one video a week, so that the one video a week that I upload will be meaningful. At the time of me making this video, I have 30 subscribers, and that may not seem like a lot, but I haven't asked like friends to subscribe, like my children. Yes, I have, but like to out and ask friends to subscribe, I have not, because I want the people that subscribe to my channel to really be concerned and care about the content that I provide. So I don't want subscribers just for the sake of having subscribers. I would love to have millions of subscribers, but I want the subscribers that decide to view my content to really watch my content. So if I got 1 million subscribers and none of them are watching, then what's the point? So, and I'm saying that to say I have 30 subscribers, and they are all, with the exception of my children, and they do want to watch my content. So I have 30 subscribers, and all 30 of those subscribers are subscribers that are concerned about what I have to say, or concerned about me and the information that I give in helping them with their business and marketing and mindset. Really, it's really about mindset and entrepreneurship, and just being able to live an abundant life and to live out your dream. That is what this channel is all about. So with all of that being said, the purpose of this video is to let you know what the channel's about, and also to let you know that I will be providing more content on business mindset, entrepreneurial type stuff, and just a little background on me. Why do I think I have the knowledge? Why should you even listen to me? Okay, so, and it's not that the things I'm about to say are required, but just to give you some information on me and what knowledge I have on the subject of entrepreneurship and business. So I have a BS in business entrepreneurship. I have a master's degree in computer information systems. Before those two degrees, I have an associate's degree in computer information technology. I have studied online marketing outside of being in school. I've studied online marketing since 2011. I've been a consumer of online content since 2011, and I have the knowledge, I believe, to help others to succeed. So the first thing you must do if you want to be an online entrepreneur is you must not just consume content like I've done for so many years. You must share your content. Like I said earlier, God wants us to steward our gifts and talents and information. So if you have information that can help other people, it is on you to share it. And then in sharing that information, you will get so much back from it. So instead of just studying, you need to make a move. And it don't have to be a perfect move. You make an imperfect move, and then you will learn in the process to make better moves and money-making moves. So that's what this channel is all about. That is what I'm all about. You don't have to have a bachelor's degree, associate's degree, master's degree, doctorate. You don't have to have any of that to be successful. All you have to have is the mindset to make yourself successful. You don't even have to have a high school diploma, although, I know that those things are of value, and I encourage you to go and get that. But you don't have to have that if that's not what you want, because some people, it's just not for them to go and get a college degree. It's just not for them. And yet, and the good news is you don't even have to have it. It's just that in the society we live in, it is something that people value. So it's something that, people need to feel they need to go out and have and get. So that's my ramble for today. But just, if you like this type of content, just like the video, subscribe if you wish to subscribe. And I've also enrolled in a course, in a YouTube course, to help me to give you more succinct information, to give it to you in a better and more entertaining way, instead of just me videoing myself in my car or at my living room table in my room, to give you some little different scenes to kind of entertain you while I'm informing you. So that's what's coming for this channel. Stay tuned. I will make sure that I get the information that you need and give you the information I already have, so that you can be an online success or offline success, or just a success at pursuing whatever it is you're dreaming about. So once again, this is Lisa Howard, and thank you for watching.